Hi guys, welcome to the last video of Redux-saga. So in here we're gonna dispatch action for getting the data of this suggestions. Now in here we have get the data of these fates using Saga. Now we are going to do the same thing for these suggestions. Now first of all what we need a file of it. So I'm just going to create a new file called face suggestions suggestion.saga.js. Now, as I have created this new file, there I'm going to explain the same thing that I have discussed previous. Now in here what we need two type of function, that is worker function and second is watcher function. Now what are these functions that I have talked about in the previous videos? That this watcher function, what it does, that it will watch for the pattern that you have dispatched from the UI. So I'm going to give the name as watch fetch fetch suggestion. Now what it does, it will watches the pattern that you have dispatched from the UI side. Now in here export that we need, because we are going to export this watcher function. Now first of all we need this yield keyword. Now here the effects that we got from our redux saga are, there are three that we need, that we use, that is take latest and put and call. Now I have elaborated what it is, so I'm just going to go in brief. Now in here take latest, what it will do, it will watches for a pattern that you have dispatched. Now the pattern that we have dispatched is fetch suggestion start. Now I don't know the name is correct or not, so I'm just going to use control P and go to our fetch suggestion.action. And in here as you can see, the type is the same. Now we can give here the worker function that we're gonna define. So the worker function that I'm going to create is worker fetch suggestion. Okay. Now I'm going to create this new worker fetch suggestion. Now this is also a generator function. Now all the work that you're gonna do is here. Now we have access to the params that you have defined in this action, this faces and start action, but we haven't used any, so we don't need to do anything in here. Now I'm going to use try catch block for response or for error catching purpose. So as I have said that it is very efficient way of catching the error that you have in getting the data from the server. Now in here for that what we need a put that we got from effects. Put is basically a dispatch kind of way that redux saga provides info from where you're gonna dispatch some action. Now which action we're gonna use is fetch suggestion failure. Now in here I'm going to use fetch suggestion failure and the message that we're going to provide. Now in here what we need a response, right? So we're gonna get response. Again we are going to use yield, because before that we are going to use a effect of this redux saga that is called. In here you're gonna give the method that you're gonna use, and I'm going to use this axios method. Okay, axios is basically a third-party library that I have used for fetching data. Now in here after this second parameter we are going to provide the url. Now for the url you can get in from here, this action file. Now I'm just going to copy it and just going to paste in here. Now we got the data. For getting the data what we need again a yield, because we're gonna use again one effect of this redux saga, that is put for dispatching the action. and we need faces and success and the response or data that I'm going to use for it. Now this is done. This is basically all done. Now go to your root saga.js, and in here what we need to provide the watcher function that you have exported from this faces saga. Now in here what I have provided is watch faces. Yeah, this is what we need. I'm just going to it's been saved. Now go to your session.js. Now in here I'm going to create a new key value pair for using saga fetching method. So fetch session by saga. Now again we are going to dispatch the action. So in here, which dispatch action that you're gonna provide? So basically the action pattern that the watcher function will see. So it's basically the start that you have defined. Fetch session start is basically that you want to use in here. Now in here what we need by saga, because we are going to use saga in here. Now this is all done. Now let's see the result that we got or not. Okay, so yeah, we got the result, we got the suggestion, we got the fits. Now this is the way that the redux saga works. Now let's see in the next video what we're gonna see next for the react course. That's all. Thanks.